This was a phenomenal collision between two unequal partners. During the last days of April, the LIGO and Virgo observatories were able to capture a gravitational wave signal that was extremely unusual. There is a high probability that this was the merging of a black hole with a neutron star, and that would really be a first of its kind because such a crash had so far never been detected. And this is not the only strange signal that astronomers have now been able to detect. This is a very exciting time for astronomy. Clixoom Science Fiction, subscribe to the channel because right here you can watch exciting science videos 3 times a week. Subscribe to the channel, then you won't miss a thing. Welcome. 1, 2, 3. Astronomers have christened the event hashtag S190426C. The corresponding gravitational waves arrived on April 26, 2019 at 5:22 p.m. our time, and their shape was really unusual. As the experts announced on Twitter, this event was most likely the merging of a neutron star with a black hole. If this is confirmed by further analysis, it would be the first proof of such a collision. So far, such a crash has only been predicted theoretically. The process is really impressive. A binary star system consisting of an extremely massive star and a lighter companion reaches the end of its life cycle. In the supernova, the heavy star becomes a black hole. The lighter one becomes a neutron star. If their orbits are narrow, they first approach each other, then comes the merging. And this is really a death dance of unequal partners. But the experts at the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, in Livingston and the French-Italian Gravitational Wave Detector, Virgo, are still far from certain. The reason being that the captured signal was relatively weak and the source could not yet be clearly identified. However, the scientists involved were optimistic that this was actually a cosmic event and not just an earthly interfering signal. According to the experts, it is not yet deemed impossible that the event hashtag S190426C may have originated from a neutron star collision and not from an unequal collision of a neutron star with a black hole. If they are right with their assumptions, its probable source would be about 1.2 billion light years away from us in the northern sky hemisphere. And so, astronomer teams around the world are working full speed to track down the source of these gravitational waves. But that's not enough. The day before was also quite exciting. The LIGO collaboration tweeted an exciting and sleepless night for many astronomers around the globe because even on April 25th, 2019, unusual signals arrived at 10:18 a.m. local time. According to the experts, these were probably gravitational waves caused by a neutron star collision. This then would only be the second time that such a collision could be detected. This event was named hashtag S190425Z. But in this case as well, the signals cannot yet be interpreted within 100% certainty. And this for an annoying reason, because when these waves arrived, one of the LIGO detectors was offline, and so the search for the outburst of radiation which this neutron star collision must have caused was running at full speed. According to initial calculations, this collision could have taken place about 500 million light years away. And these two news stories are not the only exciting ones. The whole story about gravitational waves is equally as exciting. We have reported here on Clixoom Science Fiction about the latest discoveries. A whole century has gone by since Albert Einstein predicted the existence of gravitational waves, and it was only after that that the first evidence of this theory was found. In 2017, even the Nobel Prize in Physics went to 3 American gravitational wave researchers. With their experiments and their basic research, they had for the first time proven the existence of gravitational waves. A total of 14 events of the same nature were recorded by the gravitational wave observatories LIGO and Virgo. The measurements here are carried out in an alleged interference experiment in which a laser beam is split into 2 partial beams. The light waves are guided into 2 tubes of exactly the same length and perpendicular to each other. At the end, there is a mirror that reflects them. If the rays normally cancel each other out, there is no signal. However, if a signal can be measured, it is due to a gravitational wave that distorts spacetime. This causes the length of the tubes to vary. The big problem is that the measurements have to be very accurate because the effect of the gravitational waves is rather small. At the beginning of the year, only 4 new arrivals were announced, which were caused by the collision of black holes. Among the newcomers was also a real record breaker with the name GW170729, the most massive and farthest away gravitational wave source that has been tracked down so far. Almost 5 solar masses were converted into gravitational waves during this merger, which must have taken place about 5 billion years ago. Wow! All these exciting individual discoveries make it possible to put together an overall picture, puzzle piece by piece, and the experts are optimistic that more exciting discoveries will follow shortly. Sheila Rowan of the University of Glasgow comments, "Science has taken a century to confirm Einstein's prediction, but the pace of our discoveries has accelerated tremendously since then." And explained in a really exciting way, there are gravitational waves here. If you want to find out more on the absurdity of detecting gravitational wave, check out Veritasium's video right here. Until then, stay tuned.